today. Hey, let's go to the back. Hey, man, sit down. No, we slide too. We both got the race on the same.
Let's go today.
No, we go out the back.
Let's run some gas money out the back. Let's run some gas money today.
I'm going to show you what comes.
Let's run some gas money today.
You heard the pop?
200.
It's all pop.
Yeah, pop that just bad day.
No, it's all pop before I leave.
I got about $200 today. I need some gas money.
Well, that was you got to hook that motherfucker up.
You don't got this come on. Oh, I need some gas money today. That got to be 2,600 pounds.
Hey, cut that shit out. Hey, nigga, I'm done. I'm done, nigga. I ain't no motherfucking pro stock joke. No, I do that.
Hold on, the page with that motherfucker. We got a new page topic now.
Oh, well. This is the conversation.
Oh,
you got some motorcycle?
Let's go today. Let's go.
Took the lights down.
Touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your head.